Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Monday CRM import leads from CSV. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your computer and launch your web browser. Navigate to the Monday CRM website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, locate the board where you want to import leads. Click on the board to open it. In the upper right corner of the screen, look for the Import button. Click on the Import button to open the import options. Select the CSV option from the list provided. You will be prompted to upload your CSV file. Locate the CSV file on your computer and select it. Once the file is uploaded, you'll see a preview of your data. Check the columns in the preview to ensure they match your board's fields. If needed, use the drop-down menus to map your CSV columns to the correct fields. After mapping your fields, click the Next button. Review your selection one final time. Once satisfied, click the Import button to complete the process. Wait for the import process to finish. You will receive a notification when the import is successful. Your lead should now appear on your Monday board. That's it. You have successfully imported leads from a CSV file into Monday CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.